Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set yes or no option in Excel. We open the Excel document, we can see the data available there. Now from the Data menu, click on Data Validation and again click on Data Validation. In this window, in the Allow field, select List. Now in Source, enter the words yes and no preceded by a comma. Click on OK. Now you will see that the drop-down list with the yes or no options is available. You can drag this formula to the other cells to replicate this formula. Validate that yes and no are available to select. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.